If you have a business that wants to market more effectively, especially using video, you have to be using TikTok. And very quickly, here are 4 reasons why. Number 1, TikTok has now passed YouTube. That's right, YouTube, in the amount of time per user that people are using the app. Oh my God, that's just amazing. Number 2, because of TikTok's amazing algorithm, you can build an audience faster on TikTok than on any other social media platform, bar none. Because this is an intimate video medium where people make connection eyeball to eyeball, there's trust that you can build by being on TikTok that you just can't do anywhere else in the same way. It's a community. We're helping each other. There's a non-commercialism on TikTok currently that really is different. So you can build relationships here in a deeper, more meaningful way. Video is the future. Video is a language like none other. Communicating on TikTok is its own kind of language. You need to be in it to win it. So you want to be here learning, because whatever's next is going to build on this. So video, marketing, content, connection, let's keep going.